Top 5 lucrative easy business ideas you can start in Africa and make quick money. There are some businesses that are highly overlooked, that are highly underrated, but you can make money from them very easily in Africa. They are highly lucrative, but they are highly underrated and people don't really know much about them. The first on my list is paint production. Paint production. If you go and learn how to produce good, top quality paint, you will be highly in demand. People are building every day. People are renovating every day. People are repainting their house every day. So once you are in a good location and you know how to do good paint, people will always come to buy from you. And when they buy in bulk and you make good gains, good profits. So learning how to do good paint is a very, very good way of making money. You learn how to make the paint, how to get good quality paint, and you employ some people that will work for you so that they will help you in producing as many paints as possible. You get the buckets to kind of fill the paints and they kind of store them, and you advertise your business. Once one, two, three, four, or five people have patronized you and they are giving good records or good account of your work or of your paint, you'll be highly in demand and people will patronize you. So in this kind of business, you have to go to a place where there are that is developing newly, where people are building houses every day, or where people are building houses often, a developing area or an area near a major road, so that people can have access to your shop or to where you're making these paints. It will be very, very easy for you. Then you can go to people that are building houses, give them your cards, then give them a kind of incentives in form of discounts. Let them try your paint, and once they try it and they see that your product is very good, they will be kind of using word of mouth to advertise for you. They will refer people to you. You can meet some engineers. You have a kind of agreement with them, and you will see before you know what is happening, you will have more customers than you can even satisfy. So paint production is a business that is neglected, but it's a highly lucrative and easy business to make money in Africa in 2025. The second one is block industry. Block industry are another business that is very, very lucrative and high in demand, and it is not rampant. It is not all that rampant. What you should do is you look for a good location that has access to good road and that is also near to a place people are always building, and you will see you will have many sales. Then you go and learn it, because every business has secrets. First, you go and learn it. To start a business is not about capital, it's about knowledge. There are some secrets that are in every business that will stand you out from the rest of the pack. So what you should do is to learn how to do a good block, the mixture, the number of cement, the number of blocks you can get from one bag of cement, the amount of sand that it can be mixed with, so that your blocks will be very, very durable, very, very strong and good. At the same time, you will not lose your money by overproducing or underproduction. So in this way, you learn how to get a kind of good blocks with good profit. And if you are in a very good location, people will always come and patronize you and they will buy your product in bulk. The third one is rentals. Rental business is a very good business. It's a business you invest once and you make a lot of money. You can buy canopies, chairs, tables. You can go into the food aspect, buffet, plates, spoons, coolers, and the rest of them. And you will see, once you start and you start letting people know what you're doing, before you know what is happening, you have many clients that will be kind of renting from you. And if you are known, you can even start from your house. It's not even necessary that you start with a shop. If you can't get a shop, just have quality and a good number of all these items, and you will see people kind of patronizing you. People do events. People do events almost every day. So there is no week that will go by that you will not rent out your canopies or whatever. There are some people that are also renting out cameras. I'm talking about rentals in a general form. You have cameras. Some people that are doing film production can come and rent your camera. They use it to go for their film production. The number of days they stay, they will pay you. There are some people that will be doing coverage each weekend. They'll come and rent your cameras. They will pay you. Also, music equipment. You can be renting music equipment like speakers, like all other things that they use in kind of arranging a place that they are doing a favor for sound, it will help you a lot. Just try and get all those things and learn the secrets of how to do rentals. In this case, you invest once and you make a lot of money. You will improve with time. You keep on adding things that are in demand, or you keep on adding to the number of the ones you have, so that you can kind of meet up the demand of your clients as they are growing. So this one is on rentals. The next one is on video coverage. Video coverage is now going viral everywhere. There are people that are covering both photo and video. People do events every weekend. There is no weekend that will go by that people will not do events. Make sure that you tune into this and you make your own money on that. You tune into it and you make your own money in a way that when people are renting and finding out people that will come and cover their events, you'll be one of the first people that will come to their mind, and you will see there is no week that will go by that you will not be kind of contacted for one work or the other. So video, photo and video coverage is another way of making money that is neglected, but it gives money. The last but not the least is engine oil sales. People neglect this one a lot. Engine oil. Engine oil can be used for your vehicles and for your generators. Nigeria is a developing country, and most times we don't have lights. So now what you should do, if you are selling engine oil, you should go and learn it first so that you know the engine oils that are better than the others, because engine oil, they all have grades. They all have their own grades. So you get the good ones in higher quantity and the other ones in smaller quantity in case if they are needed based on their prices. So in this way, you have learned the secrets and the type of engine oils that work. Then the next thing you have to do is to go look for a good location, mostly a location near a filling station that do not sell engine oil, or a place near a mechanic workshop that, or where they are kind of repairing generator. These places, the need for engine oil are always coming up. And many people, once they are repairing their car or doing whatever, they always look for engine oil to a kind of put into their car so that the car they can move. So now, if you have a good location and you learn how to do this business very, very well, it will help you a lot. If you learn the secrets, if you just stay there, equip yourself with the right engine oil and a kind of the right stock up your shop, and you will see people patronizing you. These are 5 solid, highly lucrative businesses that people neglect, but they are giving so much money to people that are doing them in Africa. Please, if you have liked my content or these ideas that I'm bringing to you free of charge, what you can do for me is just to like, share this content so that other people will benefit from it. Then subscribe to my channel. This is the only way that you can help support me. And in that way, any video I drop, you'll be one of the first people that will get access to it, and you will learn a lot